Hey guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Mebz Info, and today I have a very special video to share with you. And in today's video I want to share some awesome WhatsApp tricks and tips for you to use in WhatsApp. So guys, stay tuned. So the first trick is, suppose if I have received a WhatsApp message from someone and I don't want that person to see that I have read their message or that the blue tick have appeared in their WhatsApp. So as you can see here, I've taken an example with my other number. I've sent a message to me, and suppose I don't want the blue tick to appear in my other number, so I'll simply go back, scroll down and go and off my internet and put it in airplane mode. After that is done, then I'll open my WhatsApp, then go to the text. Here is the text. Then I'll go back. I'll just simply close the WhatsApp just to be safe so that the blue ticks will not appear. Then I'll go back and off my airplane mode, and I will on again my mobile data. So here the other person will not know that you have read their message or not, since the blue ticks will not be appearing. You can try this out and you can comment down below whether it works or not. Now the second trick is, suppose you have received a message from someone and you didn't get the time to read the message, and it is a very important message to you. Then you can simply go to WhatsApp, and suppose if that message is important, simply press on that message and then click on the three dots on the top right corner and then mark it as unread. Then as you can see here, the green circle has appeared, and then the next time when you open WhatsApp later in the day, you can simply open this message and read the important chat or the important text that you need to read, and it will save you much time. On to the third trick. Suppose you have received a very important message in a WhatsApp group, then you can simply bookmark the chat. Suppose here in WhatsApp you have received a very important message here, then you can simply tap on that message and then click on the star option above here. Then here, as you can see in the text, the star option has appeared. So next time during the day, suppose you want to read that star message again, then click on the three dots here on the top right corner, then click on here start message. Then as you can see here, you simply click there, it will take you to that star message. So this will save you a lot of time to read your important messages. So this is the fourth trick, and it is very common. Suppose you want to reply to the personal text of a person in a group, then you can simply go to that text, swipe it towards the right and then reply to that person. After you have replied, then that person will see that you have replied to his or her personal. The fifth trick is, you can reduce the data consumption on your calls on WhatsApp. To reduce the calls, you can simply go to the three dots on the top right corner, then click on settings, then click on data and storage usage. Then you can see here below, reduce the data used in a call. Click on that. Then now the next time you call to a person, it will reduce the internet usage you use to call in. The sixth trick is, suppose if you want to check with whom do you text, call or share videos the most in WhatsApp, then you can simply click on the three dots above in the top right corner and click on settings, then go to data and storage usage, then click on storage usage. Then as you can see here, this is where most of your data is sent to or consumed. The seventh trick is very common, and most of you know this trick very well. This trick is in which we can remove the blue ticks in a text so that the other person will not know that you have read their message. For those of you who don't know, then you can simply click on the three dots on the top right corner, then go to settings, then go to account, then go to privacy. Then you can read receipts here, you can turn off. When you turn off, then the other person who have sent you the message, whenever you read their message, then the blue tick will not be appearing in there. Now the eighth trick is to email the chat history for safety. Suppose you are being harassed by someone in WhatsApp, then you can simply share that chat through email. So in order to do that, you will simply click on the three dots on the top right corner, then click on settings, then go to chats and click here below chat history. Then you can export the chat, then you can send the chat through Gmail, so that it will be proof of the chat that you are being harassed by someone in WhatsApp. The ninth trick is, suppose you want to write a particular text to a person, then you simply go to the group, then click on @ and write the person's name. As it appears, then click on there and write the text to that person. As you have written the text, then the person will see that you have sent the particular text for him or her in the group. This 10th trick, I'll be showing you on how you can send text in different format or styles. Suppose you want to send text in bold, then you can click on star, type HI star, then here it is in bold. Suppose you want to send it in italics, give underscore high underscore, now it is in italic. Suppose you want to give a strike through, then give this, click text on high, then click on this again, there's a strike through. Suppose if you want to give monospace, then click on this 1, 2, 3 times, type HI, click once again 1, 2, 3. As you can see, there's a space here, so it is called monospace. So if you want to mix bold and italic, then you can give star underscore HI underscore star. Now they are in bold and italics. If you want to give a mixture of it, you can give star underscore, then this, then write HI, then give this again, then underscore, then star. As you can see, it is a mixture of the three combination. And you want to give a bold strike through, then give this with star, the text HI high, then star, and this once again. So these are the different text format that you can send to people. This 11 WhatsApp tip is very important, and it is known as two-step verification. Suppose if your phone was to get lost, and if the person who finds your phone is trying to gain access to your WhatsApp, then the person won't be able to gain access to your WhatsApp, as you have enabled the two-step verification. So in order to enable the two-step verification, you simply click on the three dots on the top right corner, then click on settings, then go to accounts, then click on two-step verification, then enable it, and then you put on the pin, the 6-digit pin that you will be using for the two-step verification. If you use this two-step verification, then whenever your phone gets lost, the person who finds your phone won't be able to gain access to your WhatsApp. This 12th WhatsApp trick is a very fun trick to do, and you guys can try it out if you want to. Suppose your friend has turned off the read receipt, and you have sent a message to him or her, and when that person reads your message, the blue tick won't be appearing. So in order for you to know that the person is reading your messages, you can simply send a recorded voice for 1 or 2 seconds. Then as that person downloads the recorded voice and plays that recorded voice, then you will see that the blue tick has appeared then this will let you know that the person has been reading your other previous text messages too. This 13th WhatsApp trick is a very fun trick to do, and you guys can try it out too. Suppose you want to send a recorded voice message to your friend, and before sending that voice message you want to listen to it, and if you have said anything wrong you can delete that message. I'll be showing you now. Suppose if you want to send it, you can click on this microphone, drag it upwards, and then if an arrow occurs like this, then click on this arrow. I'll show you now. Then you go back, then go back to the text, then you can see here you can listen to that text and verify it. If it sounds correct, then you can send it to the person. If you feel it is wrong, what you said is wrong, then you can delete it. You can listen to it. After you have listened to it and you felt it is correct, you can send it, or if you feel it is wrong, then you can delete it. This 14th WhatsApp tip is a very important tip, and most of you guys might know this tip. It is regarding the WhatsApp notification sound. For some of you guys, if you are tired of listening to the notification sound, then you can simply click on the three dots on the top right corner and click on settings, then go to notifications, then here in the conversation tones you can click here. Now it is off, so every time you will be receiving a message you will not be hearing the WhatsApp notification tone this anymore. 15th WhatsApp tip is a very important WhatsApp tip as well. It is regarding the fingerprint lock, which is inbuilt within the WhatsApp. So if you want to keep privacy within your WhatsApp and you want to put a fingerprint to your WhatsApp, then you can simply click on the three dots on the top right corner, then go to settings, then go to account, go to privacy, then simply scroll down and here go in fingerprint lock. Then you can click on unlock with fingerprint and you can give your fingerprint here, so every time you open your WhatsApp you will be verified through your fingerprint. This 16th WhatsApp trick is a very cool trick and you guys can try it out. It is regarding the deleted messages. Once the messages are deleted in WhatsApp, then we won't be able to view it anymore, but there is a trick where we can read those messages. The thing is, you need to download an app through the Play Store which goes by the name of Wamar. Here it is, Wamar. I have pre-installed it before, so I don't need to download it. I will just directly open it. You guys do download it. After opening it, then it will appear like this. You can see deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Lite, Telegram, but here we are going to be talking about WhatsApp. So let's try it out with WhatsApp. Suppose, let's go back to WhatsApp. Suppose I'll be getting a message. Suppose I'll be getting a message and a picture. And that person decides to delete those messages, so I won't be able to view it even if I go now. But since I have downloaded that app, I will simply click on this notification which pop up through that app Wamar. I can see here what the deleted messages was. That is YOYO, which I wrote, and this was the photo that was sent to me. So in this way we will be able to read those messages that were deleted. 17th WhatsApp trick is a very cool trick in which you can customize stickers of your own. So in order to customize stickers of your own, you can simply click here, click on the sticker option, then click on this face here and click on create. Now I will take a photo of myself. You will create an emoji of my face, as you you can see here. Show me. So here is the emoji created of my face. I will choose one. Choose this one. So here it is created. So these are the emojis created through my face. I can send it to anybody. So here it is, as you can see. So guys, you can create or customize emojis or stickers of your own. This 18th WhatsApp trick is a very awesome trick too. It is regarding messages in group. Suppose someone replies you to a message in a group and you want to reply to that person privately, then you can simply click on that text, then go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. Then you can click on reply privately. Then you can ask the person, or you can text the person what you need to say. Then after you have written to the person, it will not be visible in the group, but it will be visible personally through your chat messages. This 19th WhatsApp trick is the last trick, and it is the coolest of them all. It is regarding the forwarded messages. Usually in WhatsApp, we can forward to as many as 5 people at a time, but there is an option where we can forward to as many as 256 people at a time. So in order to do that, we just need to simply click on the three dots on the top right corner and click on new broadcast. Then here, as you can see above, it is written new broadcast, 0 of 256 selected. So I can choose as many as 256 recipient to the messages. So I will search the recipients which I want to send the messages. Here it is. I will create only for the two here. So suppose if I want to send or forward any messages to them, I can simply copy that message and paste it here. And once I send it here, the person will receive the messages individually. It is not like a group, but the person will receive the messages individually, and the person will think that I have forwarded or sent the message to them personally. So suppose here I'll copy this message and simply send it here. So I've sent it here. These messages will received by all the recipients in this broadcast that I just created. So over here you can send to as many as 256 people at a time, and they will think that you are sending to them personal messages. So that's all. Thank you for watching my video.